Hi everybody. Well, I got a little fun project today. Actually, we're gonna make these little pots with recycled material, which is basically the gallon of milk.
The
So,
gallon of milk.
Yeah. And actually, I'm gonna have my daughter show you since this is kind of her idea.
Yeah, I came up with this.
That's right. So she's gonna show you how to do it. Just one thing is, be careful. You don't cut yourself cutting it and drilling it or whatever, however you do it. So anyway, I hope you like it. It's free, so can't hurt.
So this is the milk carton, obviously, and I'm gonna be cutting this. So I'm gonna go here and then cut across like that, all the way to the other side. And then go up and you reach this part, and then you cut this.
Okay. Do the same on the other
And
side.
then you do that.
Okay, there we go.
And then it's like that. You can have it.
You can carry it, and now you can drill. Actually, see, I took the little drill here and I drilled some holes in the bottom, and for drainage. And now there's a second version to this, right? So if you want, you can just cut across.
This could be like your science project. You're doing history? Okay.
So there. So it's just like that will even, but this isn't even. Just
It looks good enough. It looks good enough, right?
Like.
Okay, and see, now you have a little pot, and
Put the
it's
holes,
free.
and then put the dirt
And
in it.
and you can
seeds.
plant, little vegetables and flowers or whatever it is you wanted to plant.
I
So here are the two. This is the one that I already did some holes. So you have the two options right there.
And these do work as pots because I used to grow like huge gardens of beans. It
I
was
remember.
insane.
I remember
and
how
they-
many used to grow.
They always
You
grew.
definitely have a green thumb. Everything you throw would grow. And I remember you, and also you used to decorate them.
Yeah.
You used to paint them and make like pretty designs on them and all that, which is something else you can do on them. And you're recycling, at the same time, and they're free, and you can grow, some vegetables and flowers and things with it, herbs. So just a little idea that my daughter came up with, so I wanted to pass it along. Okay, great.
Oh wow.
Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome. So here we filled the pots with dirt. So now you can put some seeds in there. I think I kind of want to put some beans in here because I used to do that and they grew. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this seems like something you would want to do, then definitely do it because it's like recycling stuff and you can, use them for pots. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then definitely hit the subscribe button down below and also subscribe to me. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Bye!